Hi, I'm Zeze Desire. I live in my '02 Chevy Cavalier, converted last year. If you want to know my story, like and subscribe. Whisper in my ear, cold sweat, baby come here, cold sweat, whisper in my ear. Guess what, guys? I'm so excited. I got 38 subscribers. You know how crazy it is? I am so grateful. Like, people actually care. I'm so grateful. I wanted to make new window covers. If you guys saw my last video, I haven't been very stealthy. I need to come up with a way so that I can be stealthy, be more safe. The number one way to start is to get better window covers. I already stopped at Lowe's. I got reflectic insulation, and it looks like a big roll of foil with bubble wrap on the inside. I was gonna go to Walmart to get the fabric, but I found this place called Joann Fabrics, and I'm gonna see if I can get some like cheap black fabric. I don't know if it's open. Look at the sign. It's like not there. I got it. So normally the fabric costs $12.99 per yard. It was on sale, so I only paid $4.99 per yard. I got 4 yards because the fabric comes folded, and I figured I could get away with unfolding it and putting it along the windows. We'll see. I will probably make the reflectics tomorrow because the sun goes down in literally 13 minutes. I'm not gonna be able to film everything. It's gonna be dark out. I'll see y'all later. Gimme some food. I ain't in the mood. I'm the boss. I just want to smother you up. Good morning. This is the future day from yesterday. Look at my eyebrows. Don't look at my eyebrows. I'm gonna be finishing my windows. But first I want to get some Dunkin'. I'm pretty sure this is the reason I keep gaining weight. You know, there's a lot of things that van lifers have in common when they first moved in their vehicle or van. They have a plan of how their life is going to be and how their setup is going to be. And then once they move in, everything is different. You are going to change your setup no matter what, because you are changing your lifestyle, and the needs you have in your vehicle are going to be completely different than what you're used to. So in my situation, I moved in thinking I was going to have my clothes underneath my platform in the back, and now that is my cat's favorite spot. So my clothes are now sitting next to me in these bags, and I have random items, including my cat food, just laying out on my floor that I have converted. So now I have to come up with a way to organize all of that and not feel cluttered in my car, because I'm gonna be in here until I get a bigger rig. So this is from earlier on my lunch break today. I was looking for some scrap wood. Unfortunately, I was not able to find any, so I ended up going to the local Lowe's in my area and purchasing 2 pieces of wood for $40. I got them cut at the store, and then I used a U bracket that I already had as a shelf stabilizer and began putting the pieces together to see if my items could fit in between the shelving. I have zero experience building or construction. I just started drilling away with my friend's drill, and it seems to be coming out okay. Let me know what you think.
Good morning, guys. It's been a couple days now, and at least I was able to finish 4 window panels, so I have some blackout. I'm in a Walmart parking lot right now, and it kind of snowed last night, so you can kind of see my front window, and it's covered in snow. So I built some of my shelf, and then last night I bought some containers for my clothes, and then I ended up not doing any of it, so I just threw it all in my passenger area. And my cat just woke up. She's coming out now. Good morning, mamas. What's up, girl? I put her food on top of that bin, so for now she's occupied.